Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate the Cufflink tool. So in this video, first we'll learn how to install it, then we'll go for FPKM analysis from the BAM file, and after that we will analyze the differentially expressed gene with this Cufflink tool. So we have 6 BAM file here. These files are generated by the Hisat2 tool. So there is 3 without ethanol treated sample and 3 10% ethanol treated sample. So to do this, we have to go and search the Cufflink tool. So go to the site and open it. So here go to the install section and download the Linux. So download is complete. Let's see it. And here is to install it. First extract it. So done. Go into it. It is a pre-built tools, so we can directly run it. Let's check it. /cufflink and enter. So now you can see you can directly use this tool with this command. So now we'll make the FPKM value with cufflink. So the usage is cufflink, then option, then hit SAM. The SAM or BAM file, you can use it. So let's clear it. And so we need the BAM file. I'm copying this BAM file into the Cufflink directory. I am making one directory for sample 1 for this BAM file. So let's go to the terminal and check the list. Here is the BAM file and also have the sample 1 directory. Another thing we need, that is the genome GTF file. This is the annotation file. Let's copy it and paste it in the Cufflink directory. So let's check it again. Now we have the BAM file and the GTF file, and we already made a directory for this sample. So to run it, here /cufflink, then P for the CPU thread. I am going to paste 3 because my computer has only 4 thread. And after that, the genome, capital G. This is my serifc GTF file, and then come to my BAM file and small o for the output directory. Here is the sample 1. Because I am using the Hisat2 BAM file, due to the strand specificity, we have to add one little command, that is the library type. fr-firststrand. It is the total script to run the cufflink with the BAM file which is generated by the Hisat2. If you are using from the TopHat or STAR tool, you don't need this line of command in this total script. So let's enter. Okay, so the run is done. Let's check it. So go to the sample 1. Here you can see there is a 4 file was generated. So here is the gene FPKM tracking. It is the FPKM value. To see it clearly, Control All, copy, and then go to the Libre Calc and paste it here. So now you can see the FPKM value of each gene. So it is the FPKM generation process. So now we'll do the differentially expression analysis with this tool. For that, I have to paste all the BAM file into this cufflink directory. So here is the file. You can see there is 3 replicate and here is the 3 replicate. So to run it, go to this terminal and use cuff diff, then again the P is 3 and the similar this code and after that the output directory. So I am going to make another directory here like diff for exp for differential expression. Let's copy this and this output folder. After that, just write the GTF file, and here we can do one thing, that is first write this 3 BAM file, after that this 3 BAM file comma separated. So 83, 84, 85. So it is so see it carefully. So for each replicate I am going to, this is one replicate, then comma, then second replicate and comma. For another sample give a space, and this is for the second sample, This is the second sample. So here is the 3 sample is comma separated and other 3 sample is comma separated depending upon the treatment. So it is the total script and I am going to press enter. Okay, the run is complete. So let's check it. So go to this folder and here is the different file. So the important file is gene expression differentially expressed. Okay, just open it. It is the differentially expressed gene list. To see it, Control All and copy it and check it, Control press and here. So now you can see the significant, the p value, q value, and here is the log to fold change like this one, and it is the gene ID. This is locus. So you can sort this according to the p value. Let's see it. So it is the whole tutorial of the cufflink. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I am making this type of tutorial video in my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.